Now this is Captain Spiros here with our boat. We like the boat trip here to the north. Now here is nice woman Madalena with the owner of this boat here, We have nice food here, nice cookies. Very big famous house from a banker. North coast now here. On the boat, Madalena.
I'll go on the very left.
You can take the map. You've got a bit of coastline to see it.
This was a military area. This is a pirate here. Now is break here for barbecue in this small lake named beach here. Barbecue break. Now the captain prepares a barbecue here. Now here captain is working for barbecue. This is our ship here, Madalena. We prepare barbecue. This is steam. Now the beach is here 45 minutes from San Stefano and some kilometers from Cassiope. And here's a small lake, 5 minutes. Behind is Albania and here some kilometers is Cassiope. Here's a sign for walking. Radio Stefano. And here's a small lake. Stone painting. This is a small brown lake here. Very hot now, over 30 degrees. Should go for swimming. Now Yassas from this beach with barbecue and rest and swimming.